we got our gating from Alumission, which we're gonna place right there. We went with the Dallas style, which you can see right here. This is gonna be all aluminum black. So let's open this up and see what we got. Now inserting each of the slats in and then adding the spacer. We have our cut, which is 7 3/4 less than our total, which is 53 5/16. So our cut is 35 9/16. And we're cutting that aluminum with just a regular saw blade.